In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a micro SD card into your DJI Mini Drone 2. So the way you do it is, first of all, this is the top of the drone, this is the bottom of the drone. You're going to take your micro SD card here, and you can see the golds on it. You want the gold facing the bottom of the drone, and you're just going to slip it in there. Now you could use a tool, or if you've got a little bit of a fingernail on you, you could just use your fingernail and smush it in there like that. Now this baby's ready to go. It's right next to the USB-C port. It's right underneath the battery casing here. Now to get it out, all you have to do is push it in and it springs right out, just like that. And then you just pull it out, bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to go ahead and upload it to your computer. So here, you slide it in, gold side down to the bottom of the drone, slip it in, and just give it a little push. And bam, that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff with the DJI Mini 2 drone. Peace out.